What's up, guys? My name is Chris, and today we're going to show you how to repair a stopped up drainage lines. So here we go. Derek's going to start doing this for us. This is a professional at work. So take that hacksaw and cut right there. All right, so you're going to cut.
Why is Joe videotaping? You know he sucks at videotaping.
Hey, look.
Why don't you get on this side?
Do it dead center of there. Yes, just cut. Don't mess up.
This is my way you can say that. You get over there. I don't trust you. No, I want to see you next to Joe.
Okay, you got it.
I wonder if this is the time I should tell you I brought a sawzall with me.
Hold on.
I'm not. What do you want me to do?
Why don't you hold on?
I'm hold on.
Here. Okay.
It's like leaking shit over here. So here's the plan. I don't want shit water on me. So you're moving the ladder left. I'm moving the bucket down.
Okay.
We're gonna do it really quick. No.
Move it. You gotta have room that I can snake it out later if I need to.
So I actually really look at cut on this side.
I'm not listening.
Why can't we cut on this side?
You can.
You make the pipe too short.
Yeah.
Joe, I know you're agreeing with this stupid shit. And you always want me to cut a drainy pipe full of shit water. That's apparently I'm the star of this shit pipe channel bullshit.
Part of
You
it.
just want me to get close to your poop water.
Measure it.
You measure it. We got other stuff to do today besides around the shit
I
pipe.
got all kinds of shit to do today.
This is a horrible idea.
Alright, can I zoom in? Oh, absolutely. There we go. Even better. Close up. Smile, Derek. Yep.
You're almost there.
Shut up, Chris.
Hey, Derek. How's your day going, buddy?
There goes turd.
It's a turd. That looks like someone took a bite of it.
That's like someone took a bite out.
It's just hanging. We need someone to push the turd down. I can't look at it. It's gonna be right next to me. Looking at me. You're gonna leave a piece of shit up in your ceiling. Look at the shit thing. Paint it. Oh shit.
God, do anything for me, right?
The right tool for the job. There you go.
Wait, why do you say thought up for? You haven't done it.
Does.
What did you guys do?
What's in that, Chris?
God. Shut up, Derek.
Your wife's gonna be so pissed at you.
What?
The whole house is gonna smell like shit.
Nah. Tell me when you're ready and I'll put the glue on
Well,
it.
why don't you get closer to me? Why don't I just put the glue on up here?
Oh, no.
It'll be fine.
Alright, Derek, are you ready to move?
Why don't you put it on closer to here? 'Cause it's good. Oh my gosh, just go.
We're busy covering Derek with who?
Literally.
Yeah, and he's covering the shit. Yeah, no, I'm not. No.
There you go. There you go.
I'll send you.
Good job. Chris, please show me with the wall where the shit is.
You see it? Nah, you touching the wall.
Go touch the wall.
It'll move. What do? Can't handle it.
So this is our handiwork after trying to fix. Oh shit! Motherfucker! Oh my god! my god.
Oh my gosh.
Bastard. Oh my god.
This smells like pure shit. Oh my god. You need a puke, just go ahead and puke, Chris. I haven't seen you work this hard in forever. Oh. We fixed the issue so well that Roto-Rooter decided to come out and check it out.